This session is in continuity to our previous discussions on charting in Excel, and in this session we are going to learn about a charting option called select data. Now now the background of this option select data is that you know that whenever we have been creating up a chart, the first step always involved selecting the data in on which you want to build up the chart. Now what if that you've already built up a chart and then you decide to add, say for example, more series to it, and how are you going to accomplish the same without destroying the chart? That is the topic of today's this session, and let's just proceed with it. So as a sample, I create up a chart for two products over here, and I create up a column chart over here. And say for example, I have formatted this chart heavily. I have changed the colors. I have formatted the X and the Y axis, the grid lines. And later on, somebody asks me to also include product C and D in this chart. Now my first option would be to delete this chart and start the whole process again for selecting the four products over here. But the other option is I need to just go and simply click on the chart, go on to the design tab that appears under the chart tools tab over here, and then click select data. So this whole thing would appear, and it would ask me for the chart data range. It will ask me the range on which I want to build up my chart. So all I need to do is I need to reselect the whole range on which I want to build up my chart. You can see now I have selected four options out of this, and you can see dynamically the two new series have been added to my chart for product C and for product B. You can see the green and the purple options have appeared over here. Now if I click OK over this, those changes would be freezed right away. Now this helps me create up increase the size and the dimensions of my chart in Excel, and completely eases my whole job of adding new series to an Excel chart. So this is all about the select data option of Excel. Thank you for watching.